Alright, what's up guys? So we are in the Caesar's Palace right now. We got a whole suite to ourselves. So I'm about to give you guys a MTV Cribs tour. Okay, let's see what we got here. So it's very nice. We got some closets right here. Got 2 closets. Actually 3 closets. Okay.
Wow.
Oh. Man, there must be something secret in here. Okay, so let's go to the restroom. The restroom is always important. Where we take our baths, brush our teeth. So, we got 2 sinks right here. Very nice, his and hers. But this is the main thing right here. Look at this bathtub. So, there's a big bathtub right here so we could take bubble baths in. So maybe we'll do that later. Guys, so this is our high-tech jacuzzi bathtub right here. Got the bubbles going on. All you can want in a room right here. Very nice modern shower right here. Nice clean bathroom for after we do the food vlogs. We're in the Palace Tower, so there's 3 towers. This is the most renovated, newest one, so that's why it looks so chic and nice. We got a little mirror and table right here where I can edit the YouTube videos and where we could do the hair and makeup lighting. This is the bedroom right here and the living room. Very nice. Nice TV, nice drawers, very modern. Can't ask for anything more. Here's the couch for anyone who wants to couch surf. You know, nice and spacious, very lush. And yeah, the Palace Tower right next to the pool, so there's a nice pool right here. Wow, their pool looks actually very nice. There's like 7 pools, so we're very excited to go there. Maybe we'll explore the pool after. Also another table right here. But yeah guys, that is it. So stay tuned and follow us along our adventures in the Caesar's Palace. In this vlog, we're just gonna go around Caesar's Palace, show you guys what there is to offer here, what's new, maybe go to the pool, hang out a little bit. So yeah, let's do it. Alright y'all, so we are at the top of one of the terraces at the Caesar's Palace pool right here. It is beautiful. There's Roman statues, architecture all around. Feels like we're in a whole new world over here, guys. One of the main attractions at Caesar's Palace. There's so many pools here, guys. These are some more pools. Alright. Of course, as a YouTuber, I thought this guy was holding a selfie stick. He's actually holding a rod.
So I got the chia seed yogurt from Prontos by Giada. And we also got a bagel with cream cheese. The yogurt was really, really good. So yeah, money well spent on this.
Guys, you let me know. Did Caesar really stay here? So unfortunately, gains were not be able to be made at the Caesar's Palace gym. I mean, it was a nice gym, very clean, spacey, good lighting, but there were no free weights there, no bench presses. It was just a bunch of machines and cardio. So if you guys are a cardio bunny, you guys would probably love it. But if you guys are looking to make some gains and maintain, then this is not the gym for you. It's the only decent machine that I'm using here. That one too, actually. The gym at the Venetian still by far stands as the best gym I've ever been to in Las Vegas. It was like a full-size gym. They have a CrossFit area. They have a bunch of weights and all that. Even the Park MGM, it had a small, tiny gym, but at least there was some functional fitness equipment. Free weights, you know, at least have a couple of free weights for the gym bros out there. But anyways, didn't really like the gym that much, but still was able to get a decent workout. So yeah. Well, it's the morning right now, and we are just gonna chill and hang out at the Caesars, enjoy our stay and room here, and we're probably gonna go to the pool a little bit after, but we thought to get a quick bite at a little cafe downstairs. We've seen this at a couple of places called the Savoy. Brioches and sandwich. They have coffees there, pastries. Leia got a...
Well, this is a cinnamon brioche? Brioche?
I don't know what a brioche is. I've never had a brioche.
Me neither. I'm assuming it's French. It just looks like a French pastry, and it's really good. I already kind of ate most of it, but it's a well-made pastry.
I got a little something to hold me over till lunch. This is a turkey and Swiss cheese baguette. It looks like half a baguette, but yeah, guys, I would say this is on the pricey side for what you get. I think that little brioche was like $5. This one was about $11, but it's expected because you are in Las Vegas. But let's see how it tastes. Pretty solid baguette. I get a taste of like barbecue Lay's in there. I don't know where that's coming from. There's pesto in here. Turkey is nice and tender. Some dried tomatoes or regular tomato? No, dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes, that's what it is. Basil. Pretty good. I don't know who Guy Savoy is, but he's my guy. So we are currently at the Bobby Flay Burgers at Caesars. About to get our burgers. Right in the middle of the Caesars food court. It's pretty grand. Earl sandwich. Caesars has, you know, a lot of restaurants, a lot of little bars and stuff to get food and drinks, but we passed by this place called Numb Las Vegas a couple times. It looks very aesthetic. If you guys have been in Vegas, you guys have seen Fat Tuesdays everywhere. I think this is kind of like a spin on a Fat Tuesday daiquiri drink. So yeah, we're gonna probably try this out, live stream, walk around the Caesars Hotel. So check out our live stream if you want to see more of that. But let me just give you a quick preview of the drink. It's called the Purple Haze, and it is one of their most popular drinks. I think it's pomegranate, something else in there. Acai. Okay, yeah.
Vodka, definitely.
Yeah, vodka. It's a pretty good drink. I'm not gonna lie. It's very tasty. It is very tasty, yeah. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up and give you guys some of the highlights that we experienced and maybe some of the lowlights. But so what I noticed first with this hotel is very grand. I like the architecture. Our hotel room was clean. It is probably the biggest hotel I've been in, which is also a double-edged sword if you guys don't like walking, because you know, going to one restaurant, one end to another, or to the gym, or to the pool. Luckily the pool is right underneath our hotel. Was a long walk, but yeah guys, there's no shortage of space here. Also, another highlight for me is the pools here. I think the pools here are one of the best pools I've been to. Like I said, the architecture was very nice. There's 7 pools to choose from. Unfortunately, some of the pools are reserved, like the 2 backest pools in the back. The Venus pool, I think you gotta pay extra, and the middle pool. So that leaves 3 pools for us, but either way, we're able to enjoy the pools on our stay here.
What I liked from this hotel was my first time staying here too. I really liked the room. It was really nice. square footage was like, it was just really big for the both of us, so it was kind of nice to have that. And then the hotel itself, I think like the casino area was really nice, like the area to gamble. I think they have it set up really nice, and I do really like that they have a lot of food options. Like they have the food court here, like if you don't want to spend that much money, at least you can go to get something quick in the food court area. And then they also have the Forum Shops, which has even more restaurants to pick from. But like Dan said, it's also like a double-edged sword. Like there's a lot of food options and there's a lot to do, but it does take quite a while to kind of be walking. I mean, this hotel is huge, so you know, we found ourselves walking like over 10 minutes to get from like point A to point B. Even just in the casino, like to get back to our room was like just, you really had to like go make a beeline through the hotel.
And from parking too.
And from parking, yeah. Compared to like the Paris hotel or just other hotels we stayed at, for some reason this one's just really like big, and it just took a long time to get from place to place. So yeah.
Shout out to Elpidio at the front desk. He was able to help us out and give us a complimentary upgrade on this room, so that was very nice as well. So going into summer, you know, with the whole situation, I would say that it is pretty packed right now at the Caesars Hotel, and it is the weekend or the weekday. We stayed from Monday to Thursday, so you kind of expect less people to be here, but it's super crowded. I would say that it's not elbow to elbow, but you can definitely see an ongoing traffic wherever you are. The pools were pretty crowded, you know, walking around the casino, the tables were pretty full, and yeah, there's a lot of foot traffic within the Caesars. I don't know if it was exclusive to Caesars, but it seems that Vegas is really ramping up. If you guys are, you know, concerned about that or would like to go when there's more people or less people, so just an FYI.
I agree. It's just a lot more crowded everywhere you go. The pools, the casino, everything is just a lot more people.
So that's just a quick hotel tour at the Caesars of our stay here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, comment down below where we should go next. And subscribe for more DVW videos. Deuces.